It's now 12 o'clock on this Friday. I'm Anne-Marie Tiernan, and we start today at 13 News at noon with breaking news. The news is coming from Hamilton County. That's where a judge now has decided to waive a teen driver accused in a fatal crash, a crash that killed a former HSE football player, to adult court. 18-year-old Mason Alexander is the person who died in that fiery crash, and it occurred back on March 1st. Now, because he's been waived to adult court, we can name and identify the driver and the suspect in the case as Trey Williams. Williams is 18 now, but he was 17 at the time of the crash. And in the hearing today, prosecutors argued that Williams has shown a history of drug and alcohol use both before and since that crash. But as attorneys say, that's irrelevant because drugs and alcohol were not factors in the wreck. Williams' attorney also says it's an example of teenage driver and that the driver should be kept in juvenile court.
We hope that the court does make the right decision because, as we see it, it was an adult act. So we want to make sure that justice is done, and that's just the first step. Mason meant a tremendous, he just meant the world to all of us, and we're speaking for him where he can.
The initial hearing for Williams is now set for Monday. If convicted as an adult, Williams could face up to 6 years in prison. We'll have more on this case as we gather more information about the developments from the courtroom starting on 13 News later today at 4.